Welcome to yet another video, and in this video I'm going to show you and give you a complete comparison between the Go High Level pricing plans and help you decide as to if you want to start with High Level, which plan is best suited for you and your business. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level funnel website design agency. We build marketing funnels and sites on Go High Level for the last 5 years. In case you want to learn more about me, go to PritamBhadra.com. You'll be able to find a lot about the information that I'm sharing to you now. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start about the pricing plans that Go High Level features. If you go to the Go High Level website, you will be presented with two pricing features available at the moment, right? So if you scroll down at the bottom, you will be able to see the $97 starter plan and the $297 unlimited plan. But let me tell you one thing. If you go to bonus.pritambhadra.com and if you scroll down, you will be able to go through three pricing plans, and this is my affiliate program, which gives you the exclusive access to not only the $97 plan, the $297 plan, but also the $497 plan. These three plans help you to grow your business depending on where you are, and this is the video that I'm going to help you out understand which plan you should take. All right. One of the most important things that why you should be going through my affiliate link is that you also get the entire snapshot that everybody else gets who get started with my affiliate wing, which is what you're not going to get if you directly go to the Go High Level website, right? So let me quickly help you understand as to what do you get when you join the $97 per month plan. Now, this is called the starter plan, right? It is the most affordable plan for any businesses that you can take, right? And this plan gives you enough features to get started for your own small business, right? So it basically has all the tools to capture more leads. So, for example, you have the CRM, the calendars, the forms, the funnel builders, the website, literally everything that I show you on my videos is available here. It's going to have automations, have tracking, pipeline, lead generation, everything that you can think is available. It will have entire booking system, social calendar, website, and more, right? You can have unlimited contact. There is no restriction to contacts, to users, to domain, literally nothing. The only restriction that you might have in this particular plan is the number of sub accounts that you can create. So in this in this pricing plan, you can have three sub accounts that you can create. So if you go through the annual discount plan, which is when you click on that, is going to be presented to you as the annual plan that you can take for $970 per year instead of just going for the one time plan or the monthly plan. All right. Again, this is only available on my affiliate page, which is bonus.pritambhar.com. The link is in the description box. So anybody who wants to try it out, go ahead and grab your spot here. So you'll be having the monthly plan as well as the annual plan. All right, now let's go ahead and understand the $297 unlimited plan. In my case, I'm using the $297 unlimited plan, and this is truly unlimited for the fact that you get everything, all the features that you saw at the $97 plan, as well as the unlimited sub account ability, which is exclusively available at this particular plan. Along with that, you will get the API access, integrate with anything. Everything that your developers are doing can be integrated. You get unlimited sub accounts, as I mentioned, and then you also get a branded desktop app just so that you can brand it as per your own requirements, your feel, your looks, and everything. Right. So in my case, $297 plan is a truly exclusive unlimited plan that every agency owner or a SaaS owner should get into, so you can manage all your clients' businesses sub accounts as well as do a complete white label service with this particular plan. Now, then comes this SaaS Pro plan. Again, as I said, if you go to the Go High Level sub account website, you won't be able to find this particular pricing. It's only available with me since I am the affiliate at this point of time. As you can see, this is the affiliate link, which is as subscribed here. So it's only when you click on these buttons here, you will be able to go through and upgrade, right? So the 497 plan gets you everything that's available at the unlimited plan, which includes everything available at the starter plan. Along with that, you also get the automatic SaaS account creation. It's a great deal and a great value for money, especially for everybody who's onboarding a lot of clients into their sub accounts. So the account gets automatically created the moment somebody pays for your subscription. Along with that, you also have the ability of rebilling markup, which basically means that the SMS, emails, AI versions, everything that they are using in additional to the software, you can rebuild them. For example, if the cost of sending 1,000 SMS is $1, you can make it 2x and then charge them $2. So they will pay $2. Go High Level will charge you only $1, and the $1 you have in between is the commission that you take, which is a complete profit for your own business. Along with that, you also get advanced API, custom dashboard, and agent reporting, which I believe is a great value addition when you take the 497 plan. I think the automatic SaaS account creation and the rebilling should be good enough reasons for you to spend $200 additional to the unlimited plan. But I'll only recommend for those people who have at least made 10 plus recurring sub accounts, right? 10 plus SaaS customers. If you are at that stage, upgrade to the SaaS Pro plan. If you're not yet at that stage, go with the $297 plan, which I'm also using for myself. Again, if you just click on this particular link, it's going to take you to the entire option here so that you can get started with my affiliate link. All right. You can also click on for existing customer as mentioned here. So if you click on these buttons, it's going to give you the option to enter your full name, the email, the affiliate upgrade ID, your agency account relationship number, and then it's going to upgrade you to this $497 plan under my affiliate link, right? So in order for to give you a conclusion as to which one should you take, if you are just a small business owner getting started and want to use an amazing CRM for all your marketing purposes, just for your own business, $97 per month is the plan for you. If you're planning to build a truly white label SaaS based business, 297 unlimited plan is what you should take. If you want to go for the exclusive ability to automate your entire account creation and the ability to add more money into your pocket every time somebody sends an SMS, sends an email, uses your AI features and whatnot, then $497 is the most value for version that you might want to have. But my caveat will be that only upgrade to the $497 plan when you have at least 10 SaaS customers. I hope that was useful for you so that you can take the right decision. If you have any question, write to me in the comment section or email me directly. I'll be happy to help you out in that as well. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I hope that was valuable. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Thank you so much. Have a